In today's video, I'm going to show you the latest method to install Scarlet on your iOS device. Let's start the process. First, open this website and click on DNS. Then, scroll down and click on Scarlet DNS. Then click Allow to download the profile. Now, open Settings. Then open General. Then open VPN and Device Management. Next, tap on Scarlet DNS. Then tap on Install to install Scarlet DNS on your iOS device. Now, go back to the same website and this time, tap on Sign Downloads. Then, you will see Scarlet links there. Now, try one of the links, then tap Open and then tap Install to install the Scarlet app on your iOS device. Slow down until I finally prove it. Never listen to the noise. I just want to keep something. If a link does not work, you can try the other links. In my case, link 3 worked correctly. Hi, Ellie. And I tell. Once your Scarlet app is installed, open Settings again, then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management. Then open the Enterprise app and simply trust your developer to allow the Scarlet app to run on your iOS device. If you are using the latest iOS 18, you need to tap Allow and restart. After restarting, you will see that the Scarlet app will work correctly. Yeah. Now, simply open the same website again, then download the certificate with the same name, whose link you used to download the Scarlet app. In my case, it was the NAB clan link, so I will download the certificate from the NAB clan. Don't overtake me. Once the certificate is downloaded, open your downloads. Then click on the zip file of the downloaded certificate and choose Unzip. Then you will have a new folder with 3 files inside. Open the password file and simply copy the password. Open the Scarlet app again. Then hold down the down arrow button and choose Manage Certificates. Yes, okay. Then press Import Certificate. First select the P12 file. Denos recipos y sito attachwise. Then select the mobile provisioning file in the downloaded certificate folder. Then simply paste the password and press Import. Now just press Certificate in the Scarlet app and you're ready to install any IPA file on your iOS device. Simply download the IPA file you want to install on your iPhone. Then open the Scarlet app. Tap the down arrow at the top and select the IPA file you want to install. Tired of getting unfrisked. I feel my following adrenaline, and yeah, I just do what I do, and I hope you let Lian, let Dian, Yan. Once your IPA file is imported, simply tap Install to install your IPA file on your iOS device. Yeah. So now you will see that your IPA file will install and work properly on your iOS device. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.